one of the most exciting viewings of the house. We can call it the Tony Stark house, which is so futuristic. It is so unusual, and I can tell this is probably the only house of 4 bedrooms of this quality under the price of $1 million in Nueva Andalucía. There is literally nothing quite like this house. So hopefully you're excited as I am, and let's go and have a look.
Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
You ready to see one of the most exciting house, the most futuristic one in Andalucía? Come with me. Now, when we come in, this is the epitome. This is where you spend the time, and it is so stunning with the fireplace. This is the perfection for winter months. Let's face it, Marbella in winter, and this is what every house needs to have. We are now in the grandmaster bedroom. Curious question I have. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who has one of the most amazing house, 4 bedroom, under $1 million? You have. If you know any house better than this, leave it in the comments.